Hello, my friends, and welcome back to SpeakFlow English. My name is Sayo, and I am really happy you are here today. In today's episode, I will talk about motivation in language learning. That means how to stay strong, how to keep going, how to enjoy the process of learning English even when it feels hard. In this podcast, I speak slowly and use simple words. Key ideas are repeated so you can understand easily. You can listen, repeat, and speak with me. Step by step, you can practice English in a simple way. This method is called shadowing. You listen and then repeat after me. So are you ready? Take a deep breath. Relax for a moment. And let's begin together. Learning English is not easy, and that is okay. It is normal to feel tired. Feeling slow is also completely normal. You are not alone in this journey. Everyone who learns a new language needs time. Time is needed to listen. Practice also takes time. Understanding grows slowly. Growth needs patience. Improvement happens step by step. Some days feel fun. Other days feel difficult. That is part of the journey. On good days, enjoy your progress. On hard days, just keep going. Even small steps are good steps. Perfection is not required. Speaking fast is not required. Knowing every word is not required. Trying is enough. Continuing is enough. Move slowly and gently. Step by step, you are learning. You are doing something difficult, and you are doing it well. Learning English is like climbing a mountain. Sometimes it feels easy, sometimes it feels hard. At times you may want to stop, but when you look back, you will see how far you have come. New words have been learned, listening skills have improved, practice has made you better. You have grown more than you think. Even if you do not see it clearly, progress is there. You are not at the bottom anymore. You are climbing higher. Strength is building inside you. So do not give up. Some people learn fast, others learn slowly. All learners need motivation. Motivation is not magic. It is not always loud. Sometimes it is quiet. It is a small voice that says, try again. Do not stop. Just one more minute is enough. If you feel tired, take rest and come back. If you feel confused, breathe and try again. A perfect plan is not needed. Returning again and again is what matters. Ask yourself why you want to learn English. Maybe it is for your job. Maybe it is for travel. Maybe you simply enjoy it. Your reason is important. Your reason is strong. That reason will keep you going. Every day you practice, you move forward. Even 5 minutes is valuable. Even listening is progress. Even trying is growth. You are becoming better each day. You should feel proud of yourself. You are doing something many people are afraid to do. You are learning a new language. You are opening a door to the world. That takes courage. Stay motivated. Stay patient. Stay kind to yourself. Speed is not important. Perfection is not important. Continuing is what matters. Some days you feel tired. You feel busy and stressed. You may think you do not want to study today. That is completely okay. It is normal to take breaks. Your brain needs rest too. Still, you can continue even on hard days. Do just a little. Long study hours are not necessary. Big lessons are not required. One small action is enough. Listen for 5 minutes. Read one short paragraph. Repeat one sentence in your mind. Even 1 minute has value. Consistency matters more than quantity. Remember your reason again. Think about why you started. Keep that reason close to you. It gives you energy when you feel low. Make learning easy to start. Do not wait for the perfect moment. Keep things ready around you. A small step makes starting simple. Once you begin, it becomes easier. Be kind to yourself. Do not say negative things about your progress. Say that you are learning and trying. Say that you are doing your best. Growth takes time. You deserve kindness from yourself. Celebrate small wins. Listening today is a win. Learning one word is a win. Trying even a little is also a win. Small victories matter more than you think. In this part, I will speak with slightly longer sentences. The pace will still be slow and simple. This will help your listening improve gradually. Do not worry if everything is not clear. Just relax and follow the meaning. Learning English takes time, and sometimes progress feels invisible. You may question if it is working. The truth is that improvement is happening. You are better today than before. Write things down often. Keep a small notebook with you. Note new words and simple sentences. Even one sentence a day is enough. Later, you will see your growth clearly. Record your voice sometimes. Use your phone and speak simple sentences. After some days, record again. Compare the two recordings. You will notice small improvements. Notice small things you understand. Progress is often quiet. Understanding without thinking is a big sign. Watching without subtitles is progress. Speaking without translating is growth. Look back at your journey. Do not only focus on what you lack, see what you have improved. You are not stuck. You are moving forward. Learning is a journey, not a race. There is no need to be faster than others. Move at your own pace. Enjoy the small moments. They bring real happiness in learning. Mistakes are part of the process. They help you grow stronger. Speaking wrong is still learning. Forgetting is also learning. Trying again is the key. Make learning enjoyable. Use music, videos, and simple conversations. Bring English into your daily life. When you enjoy learning, you remember more. Think about your future. English can open many doors. It connects you to the world. It gives you more choices in life. That is a powerful skill to have. You have reached the end of this episode. You gave your time and attention today. That matters more than you think. I talked about motivation and growth. I also shared ways to keep going. Now I want to say this. I am proud of you. You are learning something valuable. Keep showing up every day. My name is Sayo, and this is SpeakFlow English. Thank you for being here. Keep listening. Keep speaking. Keep believing in yourself. See you in the next episode.